Good day everyone, go by name Skywet. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, this is another account of one of my students that got my software and my video course and has really been earning and is very happy here. So I manage accounts for students also. If you're a student that maybe you don't have time to maybe you are busy with other things and you need management, you need your account to be managed. I manage accounts for my students also. That one you have to pay extra cash for that. So yeah, let me tell you how the software work again for those that have been asking me, when they message me, they ask me, okay, Mr. Skywet, please, how does the software work, stuff like that. So this is how the software works. The software automatically gathers leads from all search engines and social platforms, and the software will automatically promote to the leads. So remember, if you want to get your software, or if you want to get the software today and complete video course, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to the number in the description of this video. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Thank you.